This is a photograph or a video of the noble house. It is 26 feet wide and 22 feet wide and 26 feet long. You can get an idea of the notches by looking at the close-up here. This is considered a front. You can make changes to the windows here along the front if you don't want 3 windows. It's pretty easy to modify. I never cut the rafters along the top because you want to pocket those in when you finally restore it. This is where the porch is going to come around on the plans. The rope there in the photograph runs across the top and binds the house together because there's nothing holding it together but gravity. This is the inside. This is where your second floor will come across, and right there is the opening from there. You can change that. Nothing makes you go with the plan. The beams, which are 6 by 6, are pocketed into the sides. The house has been repaired. You can see the repairs right here. They're hard to determine. I did them because it's aged up and it's gray, like the original house was. It's one of the reasons I have not put a roof on it. It's because I want it to age. The weather, the rain, the sun beating down on it all makes it look older, or actually not older, but more historic. Some of the faces on the logs are anywhere from 16 inches all the way down to about 7 to 8. Average is about 10. This is the back of the house, or what is considered a back. This is where the attachment would go, or the timber frame addition. The plans for the house say it's 1,404 square feet of heated space. This house came down from Noble, Michigan. This is the right side of the house. Full log gables on both sides, which is kind of rare. This is the inside. On the plans, this calls to be cut out and for a door for the bathroom. This is all original, you can tell. The house has one splice and one joint, which is kind of interesting because I've never seen it like that before. I did not do it, but it's very craftsman style. You can see it's got a pocket in it. There's not a joint in the house wider than 1.5 inches. I'll go upstairs and photograph. These are beams and other material for secondary materials. This is the second floor. Again, the ropes hold the house together. The rafters have been stained because I didn't want them curling and drying and warping up here at the top. Very gorgeous house from the 1890s. My name is Louis Michael Jones. My contact number is 404-731-8366. Thank you.